Today, we're revealing our expansion into endpoint detection and response. With industry-leading performance and extensive threat detection for Mac right out of the gate. From day one, Kanji's detection and response will monitor all files and applications on the Mac, hook into Apple's endpoint security framework, scan files in real time to determine if they're malicious, kill processes, quarantine files, provide alerts and notifications, and enforce custom allow block lists. It will do all this through one unified Kanji agent, giving you detection and response, vulnerability management, and device management in a single high-performance agent. Deployment will be straightforward. You customize the forthcoming Kanji library item to your desired security posture, assign it to one or more blueprints, and then enable it. The Kanji agent will then kick off a baseline scan on all Mac computers within those blueprints. After that point, it will monitor and respond to threats in real time. You'll be able to see the threat events detected in the Threat Events view, which will provide information such as the threat name and classification, along with any relevant actions and their dates. With the posture configured to Protect mode, the Kanji agent automatically kills any malicious processes and quarantines malicious files within seconds of their presence on a computer. Vendors typically adopt two branches of methodology for endpoint detection and response: pre-execution and post-execution. Pre-execution can apprehend almost all malware variants. It reduces the risk of malware executing and the security software being unable to stop it in time or at all. Post-execution can detect threats without ever having to see the malware. It's based on the typical actions that malware takes. Each has its benefits, but our extensive testing has shown the right approach is to combine both. Here's Devin to tell us more about the intelligence powering this groundbreaking new engine.
Thanks, Weldon. The key to a solid endpoint detection and response product is a robust research program to stay on top of new and upcoming threats. Having the correct people, intelligence feeds, and tools are critical to understanding the fast-changing threat landscape. We divide our intelligence team into threat researchers and detection engineers. Our researchers dive deep into the internet while exploring attack vectors on the Mac. They look for insight into what criminal actors are using and how they intend to expand. The detection engineers curate methods that prevent current and future malware variants with the following: behavioral analytics from Apple's Endpoint security framework, reverse engineering tools, unknown files from endpoints, and indicators of compromise from our researchers. While most other detection and response tools view Mac security as an afterthought, it is the sole focus of our team. By giving this undivided focus to threats and threat behaviors on the Mac, this pillar of device harmony platform will be second to none in its protection for Mac computers. To tell you more, here is Laura.
Kanji's event-driven data infrastructure for endpoint detection and response is designed to create connections at massive scale and to react to threats almost instantly. Our cloud-based infrastructure can handle hundreds of millions of events every day, and thanks to our platform's modern technology architecture, is ready for enterprise scale from day one. We possess hundreds of millions of malware definitions, and our data stores automatically ingest new data from threat feeds and from researchers as they encounter them in the wild. Our internal data exploration tool streams threat data into machine learning models to detect anomalies and do predictive modeling. This allows it to catch malware before threatening behaviors show up on devices. Beyond today, our data infrastructure will set the stage for even more exciting opportunities for customers across other pillars of the device harmony platform.
Thanks, Laura. This is just a preview of what's to come, and the first of many innovations we have planned in this space. We will continue to expand our detection and response capabilities to include richer telemetry, deeper monitoring, and advanced behavioral analytics.